Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Hub World. Today I present to you my first topic for school children. Parts of a flower. Yes dear children, today we are going to learn the various parts of a flower. What exactly is a flower? A flower is a seed-bearing part of the plant, and it consists of reproductive organs. If I talk of an anatomy of a typical flower, by anatomy children, I mean that what are the different parts of a flower or the structure of the flower. A flower consists of four main parts, that is the calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Let's understand each of these parts in detail. The outermost whorl or the outermost part of a flower is called the calyx. The calyx is green in color and is made up of sepals of a flower. These sepals protect the flower in bud condition. And once the flower blooms, they are present at the bottom of the flower and provide support to the flower. As you can see in this picture, the green color part that you see of the flower in the bud condition is called the sepal. The next whorl of the flower is the corolla. These corollas, as you can see, are the beautiful, colorful and fragrant part of the flower which are made up of petals. These petals are available in various shapes, sizes and have different colors and have beautiful fragrances. And it's because of this characteristic of the whorl that the various insects and birds get attracted, and thus the process of pollination can take place. What is pollination? I will discuss that in my further videos. The third whorl of the flower, from the outside to the inside, is the androecium. The androecium is actually the male reproductive part of the flower, and it is also known as the stamen. It comprises of a long filament, and at the tip there is the presence of anther. This anther is a lobed structure which has the presence of pollen grains. And these pollen grains carry the male gametes. The innermost whorl of the flower, it is the gynoecium. This gynoecium is nothing but the female reproductive part of the plant, and it is also known as the carpel or the pistil. This pistil is made up of three parts. The uppermost part is the sticky part or the sticky tip called the stigma. From the stigma arises the style, which is the long tube-like structure as you can see in the picture on your right. This style then forms at the bottom a swollen base called as the ovary. This ovary has the presence of ovules, and inside these ovules are the female gametes of the flower. The flower is actually responsible for sexual reproduction in plants. And it is not necessary that all flowers will have all the whorls or all the parts of a typical flower. What are these types of flowers called? I will bring this up in my further videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.